Welcome to JH. Today, we are diving into Jira swim lanes and how to implement them on Jira Cloud to better structure your workflow. Swim lanes are a fundamental Jira feature that helps you arrange and visualize tasks across your board. Think of them as horizontal rows on your Scrum or Kanban board used to categorize different issues. This setup simplifies progress tracking by grouping tasks by assignee, priority, story, or even custom filters. Let's look at how to add these to your board. First, navigate to your preferred Jira board, whether it is a Scrum or Kanban project. Once there, find the three dots next to the board name. This icon opens the door to customizing your board to match your project's specific needs. Click these dots and select Board Settings from the resulting drop-down menu. In the Board Settings area, you will see several tabs for further customization. For our purposes, click on the Swimlanes tab. This section is dedicated to how these rows are configured, which is key to improving your team's overall efficiency. Once you are in this tab, you will find various ways to set up your lanes. You can organize them based on categories like stories, which keeps subtasks tucked under their parent story. If your workflow is team-focused, you might choose to sort by assignees so every member can clearly see their pending tasks. Another powerful method is using Jira Query Language, or JQL, which provides the flexibility to build custom lanes for unique project needs. If your work is driven by larger goals, grouping issues under their parent epic offers a clean hierarchy for the team. Now, let's walk through creating a brand new swim lane. Find the button labeled Add Swim Lane and click it. You will be asked to provide a name for this lane. You could use something simple like high priority tasks or a specific department like backend team, depending on your goals. For those utilizing JQL, you must also provide a filter query. For instance, you could enter priority equals high or assignee equals John Doe. This filter determines exactly which issues are pulled into the lane based on your criteria. Finally, after configuring the details, click the Create button to apply the changes. That is all it takes. By following these steps, you can use swim lanes to ensure your Jira board is perfectly organized and visualized for your project.